C. Karnataka. Hi children. Karnataka is a state in southwest India. It was formed on 1st November 1956 with the passage of the States Reorganization Act. The Kannada language serves as the official language of the state of Karnataka, as it is the native language of approximately 65% of its population and is one of the classical languages of India. Karnataka's prehistory goes back to the Paleolithic hand axe culture, evidenced by the discoveries of hand axes and cleavers in the region. Evidence of Neolithic and megalithic cultures have also been found in this state. Gold discovered in Harappa was found to be imported from mines in Karnataka, prompting scholars to hypothesize about contact between ancient Karnataka and the Indus Valley civilization. In this lesson, you will learn about the state Karnataka.
C. Karnataka. Area 1,91,791 square kilometers. Location: Karnataka is the 7th largest state in India in area and 8th largest by population. It was formerly known as Mysore. Karnataka is situated on the western edge of the Deccan Plateau. It is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, Goa to the northwest, Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the southwest. It is divided into 30 districts. History: The name Karnataka is derived from Karunadu, literally lofty land. In the 4th century BC, Karnataka was part of the Great Mauryan Empire. Sivamagiri is said to have been the southern capital of the Mauryas. About 30 BC, a local dynasty, Satavahana, came to power. The Satavahana Empire lasted nearly 300 years. With the disintegration of the Satavahana dynasty, the Kadambas came to power in the north and the Gangas in the south. The gigantic monolithic statue of Gomateswara at Sravanabelagola is considered to be a monument of the Ganga period.
By the beginning of the 6th century AD, the Chalukyas established a new empire. After the Chalukyan Empire, the Yadavas of Devagiri and the Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra divided Karnataka between them.
In the 14th century, the great Vijayanagar Empire was established. It was an age of glory and prosperity. A confederation of the Muslim sultans of the Deccan destroyed the Vijayanagar Empire in 1565 in the Battle of Tallikota. The vast ruins at Hampi near Hospet remain today as sombre reminders of Vijayanagar glory. In AD 1399, Eduraya, the ruler of a small principality, Mysore, founded the Vodiyar dynasty. Raja Vodiyar, AD 1578 to 1612, enlarged the principality into a mighty kingdom with Srirangapatnam as his capital. The Wodeyars were overthrown by Hyder Ali, the intrepid Muslim general of Mysore. With the defeat of Tippu, the son of Hyder Ali, by the British, the Wodeyars were restored to power as a feudatory of the British. During British rule, the Karnataka area was distributed among the princely states of Mysore, Hyderabad, and the British provinces of Bombay and Madras and the small principality of Cork. The formation of the present state represented the fulfillment of the age-old aspirations of Kannada-speaking people to come together in a single state. The whole kingdom of Mysore formed the nucleus of the new state. Under the States Reorganization Act, the kingdom of Mysore gathered around the districts of Kannada, Bijapur, Dharwar, and the major portion of Belgaum district in the Gulbarga, Raichur, and Bidar districts from the princely states of Hyderabad, Dakshina Kannada district, excluding Kasaragod Taluk, from the old Madras presidency and the whole of the Part C state of Cork. Capital Bengaluru. Language Kannada. Landforms. Western Ghats are hilly, eastern part is the plateau, and the rest is the fertile plain. Climate. The climate is moderate throughout the year. Rivers. Krishna and Kaveri and their tributaries. Occupations. Farming, fishing, mining, machine tools, watches, telephones, aircrafts, and agarbatti industries. Crops. Rice, jowar, ragi, coffee, millet, groundnut, and sesame are the important crops grown in Karnataka. Dresses. Kurta, dhoti or lungi, petta, angostra, kupsa, sari, pavadiyas. Fairs and festivals. Dashara, Diwali, Eid, Christmas.
Places of interest: Garden City of Bengaluru, Palace of Mysore, Brindavan Gardens, Srirangapatnam, Hampi, Shravanabelagola, Bijapur, Kola Gold Mines near Bengaluru.
Let's revise the important points. 1. Karnataka is the 7th largest state in India in area and 8th largest by population. It is divided into 30 districts. 2. Many kingdoms ruled over Karnataka state. 3. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru and its principal language is Kannada. 4. The climate is moderate throughout the year. Krishna and Kaveri are the important rivers. 5. Farming, fishing, mining, machine tools, watches, telephones, aircrafts, and agarbatti are the important occupations. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understandings. 1. Where is Karnataka located? Answer. Karnataka is situated on the western edge of Deccan Plateau. It is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, Goa to the northwest, Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the southwest. 2. Describe briefly the history of Karnataka. Answer. Karnataka was ruled by the Satavahanas, Kadambas, and Gangas prior to the Christian era. By the beginning of the 6th century AD, the Chalukyas established a new empire. After the Chalukyas, the Yadavas and the Hoysalas divided Karnataka between them. In the 14th century, the Vijayanagar Empire was established. The Muslim sultans destroyed the Vijayanagar Empire. In 1399 AD, Yudhiraya founded the Odia dynasty. The Odias were overthrown by Hyder Ali. With the defeat of Tippu by the British, the Odias were restored to power as a feudatory of the British. 3. What are the occupations of the people of Karnataka state? Answer. Farming, fishing, mining, machine tools, watches, telephones, aircrafts, and agarbatti industries are the occupations of the people of Karnataka state. 4. Which crops are grown in Karnataka? Answer. Rice, jowar, ragi, coffee, millet, groundnut, and sesame are the crops grown in Karnataka. 5. What are the places of interest in Karnataka? Answer. Garden city of Bengaluru, palaces of Mysore, Brindavan Gardens, Srirangapatnam, Hampi, Sravana Bijapur, Kolar gold mines near Bengaluru are the places of interest in Karnataka. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding.
You have won. You have won. You have won. You have won. You have won.
Three. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding.
You have won. You have won. You have won. You have won. You have won.
Four. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of important places of interest in Karnataka and stick them in their project book.